Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're going to show you how to make a delicious and comforting tomato soup that's perfect for any time of the year. This recipe is easy to follow and will leave you feeling warm and cozy. To begin, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 onion, diced, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 cans of peeled and crushed tomatoes, 28 ounces each, 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, 1 tablespoon of dried basil, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, salt and pepper to taste, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, optional, fresh basil leaves for garnish. Now let's get started. Begin by heating up the olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the diced onion and minced garlic and sauté until they are fragrant and lightly golden. Add the crushed tomatoes, chicken or vegetable broth, dried basil, dried oregano, red pepper flakes, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Stir well and bring the mixture to a boil. Once the mixture is boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 20 minutes, remove the pot from the heat and let the soup cool for a few minutes. Using an immersion blender, blend the soup until it is smooth and creamy. If you don't have an immersion blender, you can use a regular blender, but be sure to let the soup cool completely before blending it in batches. Once the soup is blended, return it to the pot and add in the heavy cream, if using. Stir well and let the soup simmer for another 5-10 minutes until it is heated through. And there you have it, a delicious and comforting tomato soup that's perfect for any occasion. Serve it with a garnish of fresh basil leaves and some crusty bread on the side for dipping. Sure, I'd be happy to provide more recipe ideas for videos on YouTube. Here are a few options. 1. Lemon garlic shrimp. Pasta. This recipe combines succulent shrimp, al dente pasta, and a flavorful lemon garlic sauce. It's easy to make and perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a fancy date night. 2. Chicken curry. This classic dish is packed with flavor and spices. Chicken curry is a favorite around the world, and there are countless variations to try. Serve it with rice or naan bread for a satisfying and delicious meal. 3. Vegetarian chili. This hearty and healthy chili is packed with beans, veggies, and spices. It's perfect for a cozy night in or as a crowd-pleasing dish for a party. Serve it with some crusty bread or cornbread for a delicious and satisfying meal. 4. Homemade pizza. Making your own pizza at home is easy and fun. You can customize it with your favorite toppings and experiment with different sauces and cheeses. It's a great activity to do with kids or as a fun date night in. 5. Beef stroganoff. This classic comfort food dish is sure to impress. Tender beef, mushrooms, and a creamy sauce come together for a hearty and delicious meal. Serve it with egg noodles or mashed potatoes for the ultimate comfort food experience. I hope these recipe ideas inspire you to create some exciting and delicious videos for your YouTube